Welcome back. Dreaded terrorist Abdul Martin Faqi has been nabbed by immigration officials at Dabolim. Abdul was down in Goa from Dubai. Dabolim police arrested Abdul Faqi and then handed over to Mumbai ATS. Anti-terrorism squad is currently interrogating Abdul Faqi on his plans and modus operandi. Police teams are currently investigating his probable links and plan in Goa.
Abdul Martin Faqi, a dreaded terrorist, was in Goa. He flew down to Goa from Dubai. Immigration officials at Dabolim then identified him as wanted in Mumbai. This is how Abdul Faqi was arrested. Abdul Martin flew down to Goa from Dubai on Tuesday. He stood for immigration check. Abdul tried to mix with a group of about 15 people. His passport was scanned by the officials. Abdul was marked as most wanted in Mumbai. Officials informed that he was wanted in a murder case. Abdul was handed over to Dabolim police. Immigration officials intimated the Mumbai ATS. The anti-terrorism squad came down to Goa and arrested Abdul Martin Faqi. Interestingly, the terrorist was mentioned as a murder suspect in the airport criminal database. More importantly, it was anti-terrorist squad of Mumbai police and not General Police who had flagged off his name to the airport authorities. Sources informed that Abdul Faqi is a dreaded terrorist whose involvement is suspected in 2011 Mumbai serial blast. 26 people died in the serial blast and hundreds were injured. Zaveri Bazaar, Opera House and Dadar were targeted in the serial blast. He is also suspected to have links with Yasin Bhatkal, being his financer through Hawala transactions case. Currently, Abdul is in custody of Mumbai ATS. They are tracking his Goa links and his shelters in Goa and Karnataka. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Upcoming monsoon assembly session will be almost 50% paperless. Around 15 MLAs have filed questions online. Questions and replies were also sought online. Speaker Rajendra Arlekar is confident that next budget session of the assembly will be fully paperless and a real e-assembly. Watch report.
Answer as per cyclo-style will soon become a history. Monsoon session is set to begin from 22nd July to 21st August. Session will be partially paperless, that means in e-format. Almost 50% questions were filed online. Earlier, MLAs had to personally file questions. Now, Assembly Secretariat has a new online system. Now, MLAs can file their questions online from wherever they are. Secretary has ordered that questions will be accepted online. These queries will be then sent to respective departments online and replies will also be sought online.
हे जे आमदाराक आमी कितें करतात ज्या दिसा प्रश्न आसा समजा 23 जुलय आसा तर 23 जुलैक जो प्रश्न येवपाचो आसा ताचें उत्तर जें आमकां डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान आयिल्लें आसता तें उत्तर 23च्या 48 वरां आदीं आमी आमदाराक दितात म्हणजे 2 दीस आदीं तर ते प्रिंटेड असता ते पण ह्या फावटी आमी ताका 48 वरां आदीं ऑनलायन आन्सर दितले धाडून.
This time, assembly session will be almost 50% paperless and remaining on paper, that is through e-assembly format.
ह्या विधानसभेच्या शेवटाक अशी परिस्थिती आमी करपाचो प्रयत्न करतात की तांकां आमी हळूहळू पेपर दिवचे ना. फुडली विधानसभा जी आसा ती आमी पूर्णपणे विदाउट पेपर करपाचो आमचो विचार आसा.
IT department has formulated a special software. This software will be easy to use and data will be secured. MLAs will be given different usernames and passwords. Questions are segregated in 3 ways: total questions, archive questions, and MLAs questions. Hence, problem of repetition will be minimized. Answers by the MLAs will be uploaded on Assembly website within 10 minutes after the question hour. Media and others will be able to view it online. But gradually, answers as per cyclo-style will be a history.
तो question hour सोपल्या बरोबर तेजे questions आणि answers जे आसात ते it will be available on our website immediately. Within about 10 to 15 minutes it will तो सगळ्या पब्लिकाक पळोवपाक मेळटले आमच्या वेबसायटीचेर आसता.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Omkar Falari.
BJP has criticized NCP and Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik, saying Shantaram Naik should not raise irrelevant issues in Rajya Sabha. They were speaking with regard to Shantaram's questions in the Rajya Sabha on the new Mandovi bridge cum flyover. CM Parrikar too has cleared that the new bridge is being built at state's cost.
गोंयांत सरकार हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे आसा आनी त्यामुळे हांगाल्या सरकाराक जर पैसे दिवपाचे आसत केंद्रान जाल्यार वेगळी काँग्रेसच्या लोकांक घालून कमिटी करूं जाय आनी जाल्यारूच तांकां मागीर पैसे दिवचे अशा तरेचो स्टेटमेंट करपी हे एडवोकेट शांताराम नायक. त्यामुळे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे सरकार गोंयांत आसा आनी लोकांचो पूर्ण विश्वास आसा आनी म्हणूनच 2012च्या निवडणुकी नंतर परत 2014 लोकांक बऱ्या तरेची मॅन्डेट 100%चो निकाल हो भारतीय जनता पार्टीक दिल्लो आसा. त्यामुळे उगाच अशा तरेचे प्रश्न किंवा अशा तरेची पत्रकबाजी ही एडवोकेट शांताराम नायकांनी करची न्हय.
Sheikh Jinnah ridiculed spokesperson of NCP Trajano de Mello for commenting on the chief minister.
तो ट्राजेन डिमेलो एक नॉर्मल एक पंच म्हणून केन्ना जिखोन येयना. तो ट्राजेन डिमेलो म्हणतो एक झडपी जालना, MP MLA जालना, MP जालना. ताका 2 टाइम MLA तो लोकांनी उडयलेलो आहा आनी हो मनोज पर्रेकराक क्रिटिसायज करता. हे ट्राजेन डिमेलो पळयपा जाय की 10 वर्सां NCP आनी काँग्रेसीन राज केलें. त्या 10 वर्सांत तुम्ही कितें केलां? 10 वर्सांत जाला ते गुंडागिरी, दादागिरी, मर्डर केस, रेप केस ते तुमचे 10 वर्सांत जाला. तुम्ही डेव्हलपमेंट काय केलें ना? माननीय मनोहर पर्रेकर एक डेव्हलपमेंट करता आनी लोकांक जाय डेव्हलपमेंट. लोक मनोहर पर्रेकर तुका ती टिक्का करपाची गरज ना.
Shishant Pal for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.